So we have a smart car that is, I believe, is having a issue with the blower fan motor. So take a listen on what happens when I turn it on. Sounds bad, right? So the blower fan motor is this right here. That just came in that I'm gonna replace it with, but it's located under here, and it's kind of annoying to get to. Pretty hard, to be honest. So let's see. But the removal process is surprisingly easier than you'd expect. See, it's right under here. Yeah, so pull the clip off with. There you go. Yeah, and then do that. There you go. Super easy. Guys, here's the test. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Hear that? Smooth.